Hello, I am Mr. Rohr. I am the 6th grade social studies teacher here at the middle school. I am entering my 20th year of teaching and my 7th year at Milton-Union. I'm also a proud MU grad, class of 91. Here at Milton, I am a track coach for the high school, and I have been doing that for 16 years. And previous, I have also coached middle school football and middle school cross country. As you can see from my virtual tour, I am a huge Ohio State fan. This year for social studies, you'll be learning about some of the first people on Earth and their ancient civilizations. When you come to class, please make sure your laptop is fully charged and you come ready to learn. See y'all soon. To see more about me and my classroom procedures, please go to my virtual classroom. You can get there by going to that web address, or you can view it on Teams. Thank you.